Hi, welcome to another video from the Best of CAT series. In this question, we are going to discuss the concept of time and work when it comes to multiple entities doing the same amount of work. So have a look at the question, pause the video, try it out on your own and then look at the solution that will follow. In this question, there are two scenarios that have been given to us in terms of humans and robots. 15 humans and 5 robots working together take 30 days to finish the job. And in the second case, 5 humans and 15 robots working together will take 60 days to finish the same work. You have to figure out how many days will 15 humans working together take to finish it. So one way in which you can look at this question is by forming equations and by doing this simultaneously. So if you assume that the total amount of work here is going to be 60 units, let's say for example. So let's say the total work here is 60 units. Also, let's say that 15 humans are doing work in such a manner that each human does h units of work per day and each robot is doing r units of work per day. So what do we get in this particular case? We will be able to see that 15h plus 5r is going to be how many units of work per day? 60 units are being done in 30 days. So in one day they will be doing 2 units. In the second case, if you look at it, the number of humans is 5. So 5h plus 15 robots, meaning 15r, will give you 1 unit per day because together they are doing the entire job in 60 days. So here if you want to find the value of h and r, you will be able to do that. So let's say for example, I multiply the first equation by 3. So if I multiply the first equation by 3, you will get 45h plus 15r equals 6. Now if you subtract the second equation from what we have got here, we will be able to see that 40h will be equal to 5 or h will be equal to 1 by 8. So in this case what we are saying is one human will do 1/8 of the work per day or 1 by 8 units per day. That is what we are saying here. Now there are 15 humans who are working together. So 15 humans will do 15 by 8 units per day when they are working together. What is the total amount of work that needs to be done? 60 units. So how much time is this going to take? It's going to take 60 divided by 15 by 8 or it's going to be 4 into 8, that is 32 days for 15 men to finish this piece of work. Now let's look at another way in which you can think about it and you can possibly do it in your head. If you like our content and want to experience the IMS pedagogy, you can join the IMS Zero Fee Prep programs that will give you access to concept videos, sectionals, full-length tests and more for free. You may click on the I button or on the link in the description box below to access the same. Happy learning! So in this method, let's try to look at what exactly is the combination that is happening here. With practice, you will not even need to write down what I am going to write down right now. So just look at this, what is happening. Now 15 humans and 5 robots will do this work in 30 days, let's say. What we know is 5 humans and 15 robots will take 60 days to finish it. Now if I want this bunch of people to do this work in 30 days, what will I have to do? I will have to double the capacity. I am going to take half the amount of time, meaning that I will have to double the efficiency or double the number of people that are there. So in this case, instead of 5 humans, let's say we are making 10 humans work, and instead of 15 robots, let's say we are making 30 robots work. So 10 humans and 30 robots will again finish this work in 30 days. Now if you look at both the combinations that we have, we can see that in the second case we have replaced 5 humans by 25 robots. We have replaced 5 humans by 25 robots, or in other words, the amount of work that one human does is the same amount of work that 5 robots do. Now look at what is happening in the first case. In the first case, we had 15 humans and 5 robots who would have been able to do this in 30 days. Now what we are doing in this case is, let's say we are replacing these 5 robots by 1 human being. So we can also say that 16 humans do this work in 30 days. 16 humans do this work in 30 days. The total amount of work will be 16 into 30 human days, so to say. But in this case, what we have here is 15 humans who are doing the work. So 16 into 30 divided by 15 will give you 32 days as the answer. So that is another way in which you can think about it. You will be able to replace one set of people or one set of type of people by another type of people. And if you establish equivalence, you will be able to solve these questions in a much quicker manner by writing down as few things as is possible. If you wish to apply this concept to another question, there is a replica question that you can try out on your own. Please feel free to answer that question in the comment section below. If there is something that you haven't understood or need help with, please put it below in the comment section and we'll get back to you on that. Happy learning.